Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Just perusing a couple of interesting value stocks that we're going to be talking about today with our value stock strategist Tracy Reineck at Zacks.com. These are names that I would imagine most investors have heard about.
Yes.
I know I have. Parker Hannifin being the first one.
Yep.
PH the ticker symbol.
Yep.
Where's the value here?
They're a manufacturer. They're in industrial. They do motion and control technologies. They've been around since 1938. So, they're one of the old mainline kind of companies. They've actually raised their dividend 54 years in a row, which is a great record. They just raised it another 10%. It's yielding 1.5%, but, this is great given everything that's happened over the last couple of years. Mm-hmm. They just had a really great second quarter. They had record second quarter sales. They're seeing strong demand. They also raised guidance, actually, for the second time in this fiscal year. They're on the fiscal calendar. And you can see the estimates are really jumping here on this new guidance range that they just gave for this year and for next fiscal year. You can see in the chart, they were at the 3-year highs, like we've seen with a lot of stocks, especially these big industrial names. They come back off a little bit given what's happening with the overall stock market. But, they're trading around about 14 times. That's a pretty good valuation for this kind of company. And things look really good with them. Okay.
And most of their work is done in the aerospace industry?
Yes, aerospace and just the industrial sector in general.
Okay. And then you have written about CF Industries Holdings recently as well. CF, the ticker symbol. Now, what do they do again?
They're a nitrogen fertilizer.
Oh, okay.
So they're interesting because they're a play on agriculture.
Right.
And we've really seen those fertilizer prices go up in the last year, and then demand has also gone up. So they're also seeing really good results right here, actually, too. They just reported earnings and saw a 144% increase in sales based on the fertilizer prices going up. And they see this demand going on through the rest of this year. They didn't give guidance, but you can see that the analysts think 2011 is going to be a really good year for them. 2012, they don't know yet because it's going to be based on all these things that's going on in the whole agriculture sector.
Yeah.
So they're seeing a little bit decline in 2012, but we'll kind of see how that plays out as the year goes along. Chart looks very similar to Parker Hannifin, actually. Big rally, especially over the last couple months. But this stock is actually cheaper. They're trading about 9 times, which is well under their peers. Their peers are only trading around 14, 15, 16 times. So you're getting some real good value here.
But their shares are not yet at pre-recession levels.
No, they haven't totally gone back to 2008, and then they have pulled back a little bit based on everything else that's going on right now in the overall stock market.
Okay. Do you own either one?
I do. I own CF.
All righty. Well, if you want to check out more stock pick ideas for yourself, all you need to do is go to our homepage, Zacks.com. If you're not there already, we put 4 new ones up there for you daily, one in each of the investing categories that we write about. With Tracy Reineck, I'm Terry Ruffalo.